The ICCID, or Integrated Circuit Card Identifier, is a unique 19 to 20-digit serial number printed on your Tracfone SIM card. Think of it as your SIM card's fingerprint, a unique identifier. You need it for various tasks like activating your Tracfone service, troubleshooting issues, or transferring your service to a new phone. It's crucial to understand that the ICCID is different from your phone number and your phone's IMEI number. The ICCID is specifically tied to your SIM card. There are three main ways to find your Tracfone ICCID. First, physical inspection. Power off your phone, use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to open the SIM tray, remove the SIM card, and the ICCID is printed directly on the card. Second, check your phone's settings. On Android, go to Settings, About Phone, Status, SIM Status. On iPhone, it's Settings, General, About SIM. Ensure your SIM is inserted and active for this to work. Third, examine the packaging. If you recently purchased your Tracfone SIM, the ICCID might be printed on the original packaging or receipt. Remember to keep your ICCID secure and avoid sharing it publicly to prevent potential SIM swap scams.